In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot common audio issues you may be experiencing on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, you're going to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath get up and running, select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Give it some time to run here, and then hopefully it would automatically detect and fix your problem. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.